Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest insights into the exciting world of trading. Today we have truly something special for you. We will be diving into the world of Quotex, a revolutionary trading platform that's taking market by storm. If you are eager to start your trading and you want to know how to register, what is the minimum deposit, what is the withdrawal limits, how to deposit, how to withdrawals, and guys, how to get free trading signals, then you have come to the right place. But guys, before I start this video of Quotex in detail, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and keep your notifications on for upcoming latest trading videos. Guys, I also provide free trading signals on my Telegram channel. You can join me and start making money with me. That is totally free of cost. Link is given in the description below. Now, what is the Quotex, guys? Let me tell you in very simple and easy terms. It's an innovative online trading platform that provides a user-friendly interface for all the level of traders. No matter, guys, you are a beginner, you are a mediator, or you are an expert level trader, no matter. That platform really awesome. Okay. To register for an Quotex account, simply visit the link given in the description below of this video, guys. You will land on this page. Enter your email ID, set your password, confirm your age, and hit the registration button. You will receive a confirmation email with a verification link to verify your account. Okay, guys, if you want to know how to fill your personal data, how to get verified on Quotex, please drop a comment below of this video. Okay, I'll make complete step-by-step video for you. Guys, we have completed our sign-up process. Now it's time to deposit. The minimum deposit for the Quotex is $10. Okay, you don't need a massive amount of capital to get started, which makes Quotex trading accessible for all. Okay, one of the best thing of Quotex is its design and user-friendly interface. It's easy to navigate and provide a seamless trading experience. Plus, Quotex offers a wide range of trading options, including stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and OTC. Not only this, Quotex Trading also provides too many trading strategies, indicators, technical analysis. This means you can explore different market and find the perfect fit for your trading style. To deposit, simply click on deposit button. And guys, you can see Quotex provides a range of convenient payment methods, including bank cards, cryptocurrencies, and guys, e-wallets. Okay, choose your preferred payment methods, enter your amount here, and you can choose your bonus percentage here. Click on deposit. Okay, so let's wait. Guys, here after completing all the deposit steps, your amount will reflect in sometime in live account instantly, like this. So guys, you can easily withdraw your profits whenever you want, ensuring that your trading journey remains flexible and hassle-free. Now, to withdraw your amount, click on withdraw button here, enter your amount here, select your payment method. Okay, so after select your payment methods and required details, hit the confirm button like below here. Okay, and guys, withdraw process usually takes a few hours to a business days depending on the payment method that you use. Guys, Quotex also offers a dedicated support team that's available 24/7 hours. Whether you have a question, need assistance with a trade, or you want guidance on trading strategies, Quotex support team is there to help you every step of the way, including your deposit withdrawal problems if any. So guys, Quotex is cutting-edge trading platform that offers simple interface and a wide range of trading options with a low minimum deposit and guys, high withdrawal support. Okay guys, start your trading journey with Quotex today and unlock the endless possibilities of financial markets. Guys, visit sign up link given in the description below of this video. And if you need free Quotex trading signals, join my Telegram channel. And guys, you can also text me. Here is my Telegram ID. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more exciting content like this. And as always, leave your comment, questions below down. Happy trading.